Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm going to start the snowflakes, and I'm working as a database architect in MNC. And whenever you go to the internet, you are finding a lot of things, and it's not collective. Means like if you want to search something, your lot of information is coming into the blog or in websites and Google search. So to simplify, I try to create the videos and try to teach multiple topics, multiple as I'm a database architect, so I'm going to cover multiple things like new technology, old technology, migration, and a lot of things I'm going to cover. To do so, I started this channel, and also we are writing the blogging one of the website, and our website is ByteAndStar.com. If you go and you can search over there, you will find a lot of good information, and there are a lot of material we are collecting, and we try to um, create one knowledge portal for everyone. So on that series, first of all, we're going to start our snowflakes learning. So let's begin for the snowflakes. So starting with the snowflakes, first of all, we need to understand what is the snowflakes, right? So so the snowflakes is it's kind of cloud-based data work warehouse platform that enable optimize. So snowflakes is a cloud-based data warehouse platform that enable organization to store, manage, and analyze vast amount of of structure, semi-structural data efficiently. It's give a lot of boost in the performance wise. There are a lot of features and which I personally like in the warehouse that you cannot achieve in the traditional warehouses processes. We can begin. I will explain you the difference between snowflakes and the traditional data warehouse. Now the question come, why use snowflakes? So, in my opinion, the Snowflakes is a powerful the cloud data warehouse, as already explained, and designed for the um, very huge data. You can manage the huge data and model data warehouse. First point is it is scalable and performance. A very good performance you will get, and faster scaling, multi-cluster computing. You can get into that. Separation of the storage computing also you will get into that. And second point on that, separation of storage and computing. What I mean to say, unlikely traditional database bases, snowflakes let you scale storage and computing power independently, optimizing cost and performance. And it's a very zero. Third point, you can say that zero maintenance, right? Because you don't need to worry about managing the indexes, performance, and infrastructure related the things that is handled by the Snowflake itself. So it's a very big point, you can say that. And most important, they have a concept about pay as you go pricing. Whatever you are using, that you are paying for that. And it is very secure, and and also it is seamless data sharing. If you want to share any data in any other platform, it is very easy to share your data to their platform. There are multiple method grab the data and you can use the data. So it supports semi structural data, structural, say like like a JSON format, Avro, Parquet, and also it's a flexible to the deal with the big data analytics. And most important, as a cloud, we everyone in the industry now they are moving into the cloud. So it's a cloud independent means you can use the Snowflake's uh, any cloud environment like we have the Azure, AWS, Google Cloud. You can use any of the cloud. So in this video, I'm going to cover one more topic, one that is traditional. What is the difference between traditional warehouses and the Snowflakes? So there are multiple points, so I can cover in this video. And if you want to check more in detail, you can visit our website that I already said, ByteAndStarKnowledgeCircuit.com. So you can see a lot of options, and I try to separate those things, so you can go and check. So moving there, so in traditional warehouse, it required the on-prem uh, hardwares, right? That is fully manageable in the cloud, that in a Snowflake. The point is scalability, right? Limited by the hardware, because in the traditional warehouses you cannot increase the hardware as per as required. There are a lot of processes in the organization. It take time, and in other hand, the Snowflakes, it is auto scalable design. Performance are very reducing tuning and the indexes. You need to struggle all the time. Business will reporting, my report is not coming out, it's taking time. So that is one thing. And in the Snowflakes, it is optimize the query performance, built in the in cache. Talking the cost, high upfront investment, because you need lot of infrastructure and those things. And in other hand, Snowflake's pay as you go price. Maintenance, if you talk of the maintenance in our traditional warehouses, you require the team to maintain and everything, but it is Snowflake's fully manageable, no maintenance required. Data sharing, if you talk about the data sharing, it's very important. You can share your data uh, multiple ways, and there are a lot of flexible you can go to marketplace in the Snowflakes. You can find a lot of things to share your data as well with your friend, and and I'm happy to connect with you. Thank you so much.